Finding an Instagram audio for your post could be sometimes a bit irritating, but what if Instagram itself has a way for you to find trending audios that you can use? Before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Now without further ado, let me show you how you can find trending audio on Instagram. Let's go. Alright, let's begin by going into your Instagram app. This only is available in certain part of the world. Not everyone have it, and it's available on only Instagram mobile app, so you don't see it in the computer. And for this, you need to have a professional account on Instagram to view these trends for Reels. If it's personal account, it'll be a different method. So I'm just going to show it to you how you can do it for a professional account. I would highly suggest to just change it to professional account anyway, so they can have any professional dashboard. It makes no difference in terms of the way you use it, except you have more features. Back to your Instagram app, click on the bottom right on your profile picture, your picture there, round at the bottom. Click on it, go to professional dashboard. So I actually just seen this recently. It wasn't there when I created a video on how to find inspiration previously. Alright, because we have this page to click on inspiration, right? So it wasn't available. So I think it just come to my country. So that's why it is here right now. So you can see down there, there's one thing called trending audio. Click on it, and there you can see the audio that's trending. So for example, you want to click on the audio, and then you can see what is being used. So it's being used by a lot of Reels, but it doesn't look like you have a lot of views. So this might not be a good one for you to use, but you can save it if you want to. You can play it and listen here. Alright, I can save it if you want to. If not, for example, let's look into what a trending audio that's coming up. You can see faded memory. A lot of Reels are using it, so you can see how they use it. You can save it here again. You can share it somewhere else. So yeah, there's many things you can do. So you can view as well how people do the reel using the audio. Alright, once you save it, you can use it next time. That's how you can find trending audio using your Instagram app.